empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's
Alright, hello guys. Welcome back to another stream. This time I actually fixed my mic since last time. My mic volume was pretty low, so I've never found out before now actually, in fact. So good that we got that one fixed. I just hope my mic does not sound too loud or too low, so we can actually play music in the background without any disturbance of not hearing my mic. Depends if you hear the music well enough. Music seems pretty loud, so I'm gonna take it a little low. This is supposed to be a low background music. Yeah, that seems alright. Take it a little low. Right. Okay, as I said, welcome to the stream. Got some new suggestions from the last video stream as it is, and we have now suggestion 13 and 14, so 2 more suggestions. As if you want to suggest another suggestion, suggest it in the comments of this video, or why am I saying video, stream, and then I'm gonna review it and then I'm gonna take a suggestion. So we have 2 more suggestions, so I don't hope this stream is gonna be too short. I might do some gameplay. Who knows? So we have suggestion number 13. Their MC Sneak Day Club from 5 days ago. He said he has an idea that we make. If we die underwater, our body parts float. Alright, let's look. Didn't mention map test or just regular, so I'm just gonna take regular. Didn't mention anything else. Of course, I need people to mention. If you want to do map test or just in regular game. So I'll be looking. Body parts float, so in fact that's not that hard really. Necessarily it's not gonna really take that long. Just gotta do some velocity in this shit. So first you have to go into a local scripter here. Float. As we don't, of course, timings can be pretty rare sometimes. Like when you touch it, you want to touch it by the head because that's where you officially die. Like you might even look into the breath script, I think, here. So, head. No. Humanoid. Is this a script where it kills? To the scrim script. about the heads. So you have to review when it comes to just the heads. Sometimes you can just float in the air without you expecting it, because while it rises or while it rises down, it's still just gonna float in the air. So we're gonna do something about that. So we're just gonna do make velocity. We can do this as a function, I guess. And there's body velocity. We can do velocity dot velocity. For right now, this is a vector 3. It always goes a low down, so -1. Max force. Because it has a force to it, so we can do 1 by 1 by 1 and times with 30,000. See how those goes. We can fix that after if it doesn't fit ever. Perfect. So now we're gonna get every instance of the body. Body. Start character, yeah, stats. We're gonna get all the body parts, including the hats. And we're gonna check if it is part. Or you can just do a check if it's a base part. Like the regular instances you use, it even includes paramount terrain, I think. By it, so we use spacebar because we don't have paramount terrain in it. But it should get the meshes, the parts, the wedge parts, the truss parts, the unions, and some other regular parts, corner wedge parts, like this. So we cannot really just make it like here, so we kind of just do it here. Do velocity, speed. Nice though. We're also going to have local brake velocity in case that it stops touching the water, which we can actually use by current body. I'll check if it's nil, and if it is nil, then it just brings velocity. If it is nil, when it doesn't touch the water part or anything, it breaks it. So it's simple as that. So we're gonna check on the body part right here. Take the body thing because it's the brake. Now we're not gonna use spacebar, we're gonna do body velocity. We can just copy this right here. So if it is a body velocity because it's a brake, we're gonna destroy it. We could use while wait too, but that would be too complicated because we have to do just like values and statements like a lot, so we can just do script parents. We can do wait for child because it sometimes just loads in and just too fast to find it. So we're gonna do current body, the value, we're gonna do changed, we can do new. If new is nil, break. Break velocity, else make velocity. We can also make a thing that it checks if it's dead, because we have to kind of do it because else we just make it float automatically when it touches a part. So local humanoid equals good parent wait child humanoid. Is that enough, parents? Script, parents, parents. We just use parent. Really, because we don't use free parents. I might have paying for myself. So then wait for humanoids. If humanoids L is 0, that makes sense. Only if it's dead. So you can pretty much test this. Because yes, we can. It just automatically checks. But also the thing is, because this changed, this makes it more complicated because the shake is once. What if you're in the water? Because if you just touch instantly lava, it would lose. Of course you die as instant as you touch it. But if you're in the water and stay for a while, you die in the water all the time. This also really runs when you touch the water at first. It's kind of the statement where you need while wait do. So you can do while wait do here. You can do this. You can take a break right here. Because you only want to do it once. We do else. But we can't really use else because we don't have any if statements. We're gonna do if new is nil. We're gonna do because we can't really do that, so we're going to wait for child, current body, value is nil. Check if it's nil. I mean water. Because we kind of have to do use while wait do. And else we break it. Wasn't really gonna run, so I'm gonna see about that one. Alright, settings, music. Alright, let's see if this is good enough. Pretty much. Alright. Close page. Page left with 2 gems. Right, so take it by acid because then it goes faster to die. Oh wait, I have infinite there. Reset. As you see, I do just like pull down. If I do it regular land without in water, or this, do the same. Will I just instantly pull? I just instantly pull. So in fact, it does work. You just gotta kind of like mess around with the velocity a little bit. Change how you want to do it yourself. I'm gonna keep it at 1 for now. Find lost page. Same for location. Kill myself. Can't really kill myself either. Now I can teleport me. Yeah, it's already really good, so I guess it's already good enough. Or else you can just report that it doesn't work. Just make sure to hypergraph like this. And it'll be pretty much fine. And in the same location here, in water and starter character scripts. Not in the water and starter player scripts. It's way something else. But in here. You're gonna just make it float. You don't have to pull it float, but it floats. Alright. So that was number 13, now number 14. So that's suggestions for now. You can just suggest in the chat as well. But after the stream, you can just suggest in the comments. Okay, here you have Doge Deer Channel, 8 days ago, edited. Here's an idea: make Game Pass button and bodies button a shop UI, and a lift camera animation and button locator. That was many things. Game Pass button and bodies button. Alright, Game Pass. It can be a problem with the collision as well. You know, we're gonna find something else. Game Pass button. Okay, let's start with the Game Pass button, I guess. Game Pass button. Because we have an infinite air pass, so we can just use that as an example. Okay, we have the currency, so that also kind of works. Okay, items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to buy this, which is pretty easy if you just follow my suggestion here. And you just search 1 divided by 6. Because we have 1 divided by 5 because there's 5 elements. 0.2 as I wrote in here. So if you do 1 divided by 6, it's 1, 6, 6, 6. You just have to type in the 3 first letters in the points perspective and it should be good enough. So if you write in 0.166, it should be pretty alright. Currency, duplicate. As you see, it's a little space right here because they probably changed it to. No, so we can just do 1.16. And maybe we'll have more 6s. 1, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, so just add how many 6s you want. Game Pass. What color can this be? Oh, I already done the Infinite Air Game Pass. Let's see. Currency. Game Passes. Okay. That should be pretty good. Let's see. I'll open the Roblox. Game tutorial. So if you look over here, in fact we do have an infinite here. It's only 5 Robux because it says in here. The item is cheap because it's a tutorial game, so I just put it for 5 Robux because it's a tutorial. Because that's like the minimum you can put on a Game Pass. I already made it here. You can just copy this to use some other Game Passes, which I will show soon. Game Passes. There. Now we have to go into category. We can just. In fact, we can just do this. 0.3. What's that the size of it? If there's any scripts, so I will let you do. Yeah, so we don't really have to make any Game Passes. Or like right there. Game Passes. There's only like one thing we know. 100 points in. Yeah, but take by the name. Here. Back here. Make like classic white text. In the backgrounds. We must have the image of it as well, but is there a way we can just use the image? Scale this to its equal. Center it. Invisible. This is gonna be a higher layer. Can we just copy this and use the icon like that? No. We just click on the. Okay. Is there anything we can copy? Image ID. Is that automatically? Why we just copy this entire link? No. I guess we can just have it like that. Just fill the entire space, I guess. But we can just use the image like that, but I guess we couldn't. RX price. 10. We don't even have any prices. We don't have ID. Not UD. ID. Okay, let's see. ID. Here's the ID. Okay, pretty much got the game passes here. Okay, then buy. We're gonna go into purchase. There's a local script, currency. Display text 50 gems. So here we just have an else, so we're gonna use an else if. Else if. Script parent type value equals game passes. Do the same. Script parent display. Do the same as being here. Display. I kinda don't even need to do that. Like the price. And we just have to do the price thingy, I guess. Category. Alright, that's auras. Game passes. ID and then price. 5. So, yeah, we're gonna have to do the same as being as here. ID is script parent ID value. Transfer service and just does this. The rest is just kind of fixed. From product versus, because it's not from product versus, it's game pass purchase. Just the same as per instance, and then can bypass ID, which is ID value. So we just prompt you to buy the game pass. We're gonna kind of make a thing because it's a game pass. We're gonna check if it's owned. If it is owned by the player, it's gonna like say like it being owned above it, so we can just kind of make something. Logo or something. We're gonna find it out. Let's see. We have the ID. Pretty much gonna work. We just haven't put the ID in yet. Okay. This is the game passes. I'm gonna say in Robux price, and then we're gonna do. Buy ID value equals script. I'll select script ID value. So if I take items and make this big like that. Let's see if it's firstly of all. In there. We have a purchase thing. We want like a purchased button. There's already an item is owned, your account is not charged. Because we already own it. If I kind of just delete it from my inventory, there can be a different thing. I'm gonna just make a thing on the game. I'm gonna show you on the stream here. tutorial and we can do donation, I guess. We can. Did he say anything else? I can look at this. Alright, let's see. Donation. A donation to support the game. Smile. And then we kind of need thumbnail. I can pretty much go into here, into here. Let's see, custom parries part 4, I guess. Donation. Here. You can preview it. Dumping. Donation. You can also make this 5 Robux. So I believe to upload a game. And now I just do this. I don't own it anymore. Donation. I have to buy it. I have to get it. Alright, so no, I'm not a creator of Roblox Car, but I'm friends with the owner of it. Let's see, buy. Actually, I don't even need to go buy. Okay, let's see. Category. Here. We have donation. This is also 5 Robux. We don't need to change the price. See if I just publish this now and then play this. We can see if it does come up or if it is a colon Robux. Pro and Chaos server, okay. Infinite there. Click buy on this. This. Donation. Buy this. Third-party item sales have been disabled. Charged. Okay. The reason probably why is because I don't own it. Because I just deleted it from my inventory. So we don't really have much to test about that one. Except if we turn on allow third-party sales, then it should probably much work. I'm gonna do this and a donation of this image. Oh, stretched. You want the currency? Buy your currency. This is a test purchase, so I can just buy gems. Let me get gems. Like I did that last video. Wait, no, I did regular. I don't remember when I did this. I don't know. Okay, inventory. We own this. We have donation, which I don't own. You can buy it, so pretty much it works, but it does not tell you if you own it. Some ways it says self-purchase here. Once you click it, it says you already own it, so you gotta think away. Because you can't really recognize if you own those or not. So we're kind of kind of the thing. What if we just make let's see, what can we do? We find something in the toolbox, probably images. I think we're gonna use an image. I don't think we're gonna use it. If you just make it green like that, it show that you own it. Effectives are just bytes. Or you just make a big text called own. Like that. Or you can just make a green. Like that. And make it a little transparent to show that you own it. 0.6. Kind of bad showing. We can't do like we did from the beginning. Oh, make it smell like this. No image. 3, 7. Make this a little smaller. I like we did. Font. Call this Ohms. Put the same thing here. Make it invisible. Like that. We could make it like that way. Yeah, a lot of people are watching here because they're busy or something, I don't know. It gets pretty lonely right around here on the channel sometimes. But that's just how it is as being a low YouTuber. Does not really have a lot of subs. It just pretty much gets lonely in the chat. There's actually been more people watching, but they just stopped watching. There's been 3 people watching, or has been. Game passes. Pretty much what is working. Except the own thing. So there's the buy here. I have purchase. Purchased. Just shows this. Do it like this. Do it like that. There. Pretty much do a script right here. Escape parent ID, change connect function thing. If script parents the type is game passes. Then value thing. But if MPS game user owns game pass sync, we do user ID. There's just game players, a player place ID, players local player user ID. Then we do game pass ID, which is just ID. It's true. Then that's then it has checked, and if it's true, script parent purchased is false. True? No. Purchased is true. Script parents purchase is false. think that would be much of a good idea either. I know, just to get this plan, and then we can just put, yeah, you know, the other thing here. See, kind of same thing. Just do into the script. While we do, give script parent. Where are the script parents? Right. Just look ID. Yes, script ID value MPS get service marketplace service local info MPS. Oh wait, info, why did I info? If MPS user owner game pass ID game players local player user ID is true. Script parent owned is true. Why does it come as weird commands? Oh, script parent owned is false. Like that. Pretty much like that. That has worked. And it checks this as a while wait do as well. Here is Joe's own, it is not own. So if I just go here and I buy this, this is a test purchase as well. Well, I do not own it in regular, this is a test purchase, so I don't think it will work. But if I did test this in the original game, it would definitely work. I'm pretty sure about that one. My code does not load my avatar. Okay. Let's see, what else did he suggest? Game Pass button, bodies button, I would jump over that right now. Lift camera animation. Lift camera animation. So he means like moving camera. I'm not so sure because I'm not really good with those math rat stuff and everything. Just like ping on worse stats, so I don't think you'll much be able to do that, so also will kind of suck. So I can jump over that for now. Button locator. In fact, I've not been much into button locator, but I guess I could try. So you gotta do some math here. Some pretty much math. So I think the locator ball in FE2 is like 0.8. It's neon and it's shamrock and it's like in like a little invisible. Same with the other one. But this is like the goal. Is it 0.8? I think it's like 0.6. So that's the other ball. We're gonna make this in a group. Where we're gonna make a line. This is the line of the thing. I'm gonna put it inside of here. So I'm just gonna do a little test because I'm gonna see if this firstly works. So that's 0.8, right? 0.8. This basically must be what this would be. 0.6. Nah, it can't be 0.6, 0.4. 0.2, I guess. And this 0.1. Make a line. Not metal, neon. And then 0.6. Kind of like into each other and then makes a other color. How do we do that? Is it like I think it should be fine. The line seems wrong. That looks exact how the line is. Now it's like perfect, but we want to make it ordinarily circulate. So we just take this one ball, move it a little like, oh, like a little more like that. We want the line to go from this to this, which just got more into the complicated stuff because we gotta use a lot of C-frames and this stuff. So, but I will try my best to find something to figure out. And the rest I can basically fix, so do a local part 1. Part 1. And part 2. And line. We're gonna do the local distance first between those two things. Of course, you always gotta do the distance with positions. You know, I'm not gonna do position, but we gotta do the magnitude. And then line. It's gonna be such as long as the distance. But in the like after this is done, so it's not x. So line, the size, vector 3, distance, then 0.2, and 0.2. I'm gonna do the line. The C-frame is part 1. No, C-frame new. Part 1 the C-frame, comma part 2 the C-frame. So now it's gonna go from this position, part 1 position, and that orientation, and it's gonna point at the part 2 C-frame. It's gonna be stuck in this part, and it's gonna be like pointing at both directions because it's in the middle. The middle point of this is going to be stuck in the middle point of this. It's going to be pointing up, which is going to look more like it's. I probably would like position or something. Line C-frame, C-frame, vector 3, vector C-frame. Okay. Line C-frame. Vector 3, vector C-frame. You. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta do position here, I think. So that's right. Huh. Does it point at itself? Part 1, part 2. Part C frame. Kinda weird. part 2 position. So there's a look at, so it's supposed to point this direction. But it might also be the angles. So if we do here, because I think this might be it, it's 0.2, alright? I'm gonna have the distance here. There's always like a little trouble between those two. Exactly, like, as I told before, it's gonna be center in the middle like this, pointing from this direction up to here. But it isn't exactly gonna be as a locator. Because we want this thing, because this thing, the line's middle, is inside the part 1's middle. We want it to be in the middle of those two. So we can either do a lerp, or we can do it more mathematical way. I'm taking the more mathematical way. I think it was plus C framed on here. 0, comma 0, comma negative distance divided by 2. What's the times? Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, so now as you see, now it is in the middle. This is a proper button lock here, as you can see. But we could make it that it does not stick into each other. Because now we have this a little miscoloring thing into here. This is the players, and this is the button's location. It's not in the while wait do perspective. So if you do while wait do, it is gonna always loop. So which means if I move this, it's always gonna go at the location. So that means if I make this a very long thing, it's still gonna point all the way. It's pretty much a button locator that works. It's just, I don't really know what the color. I'm gonna call this Locator. You pretty much always have this enabled. Make sure everything here can't play false. From here. Because as Crazy Box much likely did in his, use a viewport frame in the own thing. Enjoy it, so it's reset and spawn. It's a locator. I'm gonna use a viewport frame. But this is always enabled. And as a locator, it's inside the viewport frame. So on this in replicator storage, always shows the next button. Which is the current button, I guess. What is it? Part 2. So the locator basically works, but the parts positions are never the usual same as the players. And plus the locator is always on top, so that's why we have to use a viewport frame. So just, you cannot see the dots on it. So what we're gonna do with the part 1. So part 1 C frame is always equal to game players, local players, characters, wafer child, humanoid, root parts, C frame. They will always be equal. But since it's a bowl, there's no point of C frame. You can just use position. We're gonna use this as an own script. Because this is a Huawei. We're not gonna bother the line. for part 2, we're gonna search for the button. Because as in FE2, the button locator always leads you to the exit right after as you pressed the button. As is the usual, except that it turns white. So we're gonna check on the thing. First of all, is the buttons turning red still? Or do we just make them think new that it turns like black? Yeah, it turns black when you press them. Okay, so you gotta check if the buttons are black and stuff. So button checker. So we're gonna do local button. This game. Next button. The value minus the 1. So we're gonna find out. So for icon we in pairs game workspace get the sans. We and we're gonna do it we dot name is unfer button to string button. So it checks off to the button. It's gonna put part 2's position to we wait for child for child. We're gonna do it to light the position. Too much. We're also gonna do a thing. If we wait for child light dot color is no brick color when you black, then we're not gonna do this, but else it's just gonna go into position. Then we're gonna do it for something else. So button pressed, suppose. Button pressed is true. Just to be going into the thing. We can also include line, I guess. Double line, close script, character line. It's a lot of stress. Part 1, color equals color. No. Part 1, gray color equals gray color. Don't need channel. Line. If button pressed is true, I'm gonna do all this into what? How we say that? To this color, just white. It's a regular white. I'm gonna do at the position, or 2 position. I can do the same here. Game workspace takes the folder in. The name is exit region. Part 2 position is the read position. Like that. That's wet. Now we're gonna do status checker. If game players low player wait for child in round value is true. Just copy this right here. line. Transparency equals 0. Wait, 0 now. 0.6. Hold on. 0.6. R1. Transparency equals 0.6. And part 2. Else if we're gonna do just an else here. And survive. Was it called survived? I guess, but I can check just to make sure. Like this least amount of errors survived. Yes, survived. Survived. False. Else it's just gonna become invisible. If it is in the lobby, it's already survived. As again, we gotta make sure if it's can collide false. The player does not walk into it. Or if it's in the way. Pretty much checks for the button. Check if it's in round. Now we're gonna do a kind of a script. Make a fixer. Pretty easy. Script parent current camera equals game versus current camera. Wow, wait, dude. That fix. Watch out, there's no error. We might see if this works. Who knows if it works? Who knows that it doesn't? We haven't made any color specifically. But if it was just green, then it's just green. Okay. Fact, is there any bugs? First of all. Okay. First of all, we want to know on the thing here. Locator. Is the locator first of all moving? Is this thing connected to the current camera? Yes. So it isn't really moving. It seems to be necessarily. We can check on the button checker here. Part 1 is always positioned to the humanoid. Okay. Locator. Right. So the locator is moving and following me all the time, which is good. The locator is right there. The button is 1. It does lead me to exit right now. But because I did -1, so I think I know what bug it is. Alright, let's see. Button checker. Made this -1. Gray color. Color equals B. Wait for child. Light. color. Brick color. Okay. And then it leads you to the bun. Hope they will lead you to the exit. So, now we're gonna test this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. If my script is right. So, once you load the round, you see the bun locator. With the same color. Kind of an illusion where it's going under the ground. I don't think that's an illusion at all. You press the button. And it brings you to exit over here. Then he's alive and then it disappears again. So the bun locator does work. Since we're talking about the bun locator, here, suggest extension. Okay, I guess we could just do that suggestion instantly. This is about the locator. A setting where you can turn it on or off. So menu UI, settings. Let's see. This. Options. Oh. Detail enabled. Locator. Locator enabled. /exit. Locator. There. Don't worry about that one. I have to do the stats here. Detailed enabled, stat 14. What folder are we putting it into? Okay. Locator enabled. Number 18, so this is 19. That's 19. Oh, there's that 90 right there. So stack 20. Let's do stat net 20. Okay, enabled. True. Yes. Now we're gonna go into the locator here. Go to the fixer. The status checker. We're gonna do another and. as well. Wait for child. Options. Wait for child. Locator enabled. Value. True. There, cool. I put the semicolon. There. Right. Like, can you do this? Tabs, key tab, and setting tab. I could, yes. And then we have the button locator right here. But I don't want it. And I don't want it. Wait, if I want it back again. There. I still get this one showing. See. Tabs and stuff. .6. Oh. 0.7. 0.8. 1. Tabs. Main. Keybinds. All of them are going to be centered. Points. 5. .5. Everyone's gonna have 0.5 here. Oh, 8. 154. We're gonna do everything to 15 here. Including this. So 08. Do the maps there. So 08 plus 0.15, 0.23. Just like right after. Plus we're gonna have a little bit more. 33. 0.33, 58. Now 0.58, 0.83. Oh, right there. Keybinds. We have main. Or main. Tabs. There's 2 tabs. Main. Main. F5. Keybinds. $75. There. Yeah, so pretty much works. Nice. Okay. What else did he suggest? Bodies button. Can jump to that in the next episode with the bodies. Because I'm not really much into like bodies and stuff. Notifications. Suggestion extension. Yeah, I've already done that. I mean tabs. And suggest notifications. Okay. Well, for now, I'm going to duplicate the summary. Call it notification. Oh. I'm gonna go remotes, click alerts, and call notification. Small. In the background there's always like a background thing. 0.5, 0.5. I'm not really gonna make anything with this. Since you can have multiple notifications, notification, compute, game. No, it's just empty for now. Compute number is currently 1. It was gonna reset to 1. I'll click it. Close. Background close. Game storage dot remotes notification climate function there. First we're gonna have the title, then the text. Script, visible is true. Table, insert, not this row, insert, and then notification, compute. Here, title. Still. Title. Text. Is text. And close. Click. Do a little bit of functions area. Hashtag notification compute is 1. Then title, script, domain, text label, text equals text. Then it sets the text and stuff. that like that. Once you click close, that was the next till it finds the end and just resets everything. So we're gonna do a little more advanced things here. So I'm gonna do first of all, we're gonna do if conq number equals hashtag notification conq. Notification conq equals stat, and conq number is just 1. Just remains 1. Else, and do script string table text equals notation conq number title, yeah, that's all. Parent main string table text notification conq number text. We're gonna do conq number plus equals 1. On pluses every time it goes higher and higher. Look, it just goes to the next, to the next, to the next. So it finds the end, it resets the entire table, and it just hides it, basically. Or else it's gonna start making one, and if it only finds one in it, then it just instantly just starts making it. And it also goes in order. We're gonna have just characters first right here. Wait, not characters first. Here. This is by long run by local scripts. We're gonna do it by server. Notification system. Here. Game players when they're added connect function player. Wait one, we're gonna below it. The remotes, notification, fire clients, player, then title, what do you want? Welcome to Flood Escape Game Tutorial. And then the text. Welcome to this game. This is a game made by me. And this is a tutorial game. You can have multiple notifications. To info. Game passes this game cheap because it's for tutorial educational only. Updates. Notifications. Button. Locator. Game pass section in shop. Suggest map wing. So when you play, start the game. Come here, welcome to Close Game Tutorial. So this game is game skip tutorial, close. Stop. Okay. So then we'll go to the same. So I'm gonna click it. It goes to the same one. Again. Plus it first. Plus this. Conquer number is hashtag. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna do weight points 1. Same. Print notification come here. Does it just break or does it even fill up? Yeah, so it does fill up. So 1. Does it just plus sometimes? Okay, number is notification count key. It's notification count here plus 1. There. Dude, it just goes invisible straight away. Close. Close it. Print cookie.
I saw her standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her
Oh yeah,
phone.
those effects. Why am I so dumb?
And I wished I had a number, so
I completely forgot there was a close script inside.
I know. And then I tell
Oh, thank you.
look into my eyes and never let it go.
Completely forgot. Game tutorial. Info. Dates, navigation. Plus 1. Oh. There. Now if I click play. Info, updates, bam. Oh. So, then we got notifications working. We already have the tabs, e-tabs, settings tab and stuff. We do have the front of everything. Now map loading. So we're gonna look at this. So map loading is gonna be a little complicated because we gotta change the most in the main scripts. How long has the stream been? 1.5 hour? It's not a long one. Wait, hold on. Right, map loading. Map loading. I also don't want to make this go in the way for the lifts. Really? So, uploading, you have to go a little up. Oh. Actually, let's go a little more down. 75. I guess that's fine. Uploading. No problem. Let's see. Suggestions. Maybe complicated, but I will try my best. Okay, we got a frame. And I'll just create our own folders and everything. Map name. Okay. PM. You must live in like England or something. Scotland. So I know England right now is like 11:30. Okay, votes. Well, it's intermission. Just gonna just make this open. Show map votes. Close. Map votes. Actually, just do map votes and then just do true false. Map voting cannot be opened. Child added. Connect function. Not gonna do that for now much on. Yeah, I've been doing pretty much. Updates, I can call it. First, we're gonna clear it. Put the map inside of the map vote, so I guess we just do that. Okay, so it's gonna be like Okay. I will make like voting inside of the settings folder. So. Trails and shop. Wait child settings. Happening. Votes. Wait child settings. Wait child votes. I'm gonna have like a thing here. An object value. Votes. Vote slot. Slot. No value. So, and lead stats, we're gonna do this local script. While wait do it low stop. Wait, votes the text equals safe. Slot the value to value. I'm gonna do it as a equal as well. Whole function. Dot votes. It's added and update. Map votes the child removed. And they also do updates. So now we have fixed that you can like load it here. Votes. We have close. First we just want to close and don't vote. Then do that. Okay. Vote. Vote for selected map. Who can vote? Because you can only vote once. true. It's just true. Parent can is false. We do that last. And you can upload. And pretty much voted. Just to make this automatically close for you. Is false. Much doesn't need this. Close, so it was false. We have also the description and to select it. Wait. Parents. Votes lock. Votes lock the value of value plus equals 1. So then we have got the value to get stops you from voting, and it just doesn't show. So pretty much by working with the voting, and it closes automatically. This would just close that way as well. So yeah, we're also going to do a thing. Voter. This nil, then there's parent. The votes. The background. Make it like a dark color. RGB there. Oh my god. Not copy and paste that. So it's just regular like this. House script background color. Script parent text equals select a map in order to vote. So it's gonna be like this. Vote to select the map. I also want to disable or enable the scripts. Voter is false. Let's disable false. Oh, this is gonna be disabled true. So yeah, it's like that. And it's like if I click on it, so we get text button. So here for now. The text button is going to be this one. Not visible as false, but just visible like that. value equals 3. Okay, that's it. So then it selects it like that. So yeah. There. So he gets all the maps and like this stuff. Map voting. Now we're just gonna make that it shows. You can vote now. Like, so you can vote once. But we haven't made any like big things yet. Oh, game, replica, remotes. Map opens. Blind events. Status. If status is true, is true. Script equals false. If game occurs in round is true, or game players dots in lift value is true. So if any of those is true, then it shows in lift, yeah. Also won't show. There. So this should pretty much show. Now we're just gonna change this script a little bit up. Because now we just choose a random chosen map. Which we pretty much don't want to do. Okay. This maps. I'm gonna do for icon only in pairs available to let's scroll down here into the time. 19. Take this. I'm gonna do this. Time you get 5 seconds, I guess. Pretty fast voting. This is after. Okay, so available. Week long. Map. Settings. Local votes. Instance. Menu. Number value. Votes value equals 0. I'm gonna use this. Votes parent is in there. Now we're gonna change the map. Parent equals game reference to vote map votes. Map and game votes map votes value all clients 5 seconds. Fairly random. Local highest 0. High can be in this game. Modes. Modes. Innocence. And local highest map. And there's nil. So then everything in there. The weed, well name, there's the quotes, and V is a number value. V, the value, is higher than highest. Then highest equals V, the value. Highest map, the value, equals V, the parents. This parents is settings, not the parents, which is the map. Just leads to the map. It's the highest map. The map is highest map. And name map. Bam. Starts to lift. Loads. Or after we gotta do like take this. Either way it will close. Pulse. We can do one thing. True. Game with difficulty value. We can do difficulty. And those closer up. Longer up those. Have that right there. Difficulty. I just have it like that. I can see about that after, or I can maybe next stream. Let's see. So then it goes down. 0. So enter for clone. Is it after the wave or? Oh, table. Maps. 110. No, it's a clone. Of course, I never voted. Let's see. Available maps. Well, these are the biggest old maps. Maps are only available. No need rams. Available to be found. Let's see. The updates. It does update. I like that. Okay. EE parents handler. See. Boats. Value. Interesting. Value. Okay. We have local boats or we didn't name it. Name equals boats. We don't even need a wave gun, I guess. So either way, if we don't vote, it will still just go for the one. Come on, Mega Brain. Right here. We're trying to see if the votes go up. I'm gonna make that it does not lose. Oh man, I missed the votes. Yeah, fine. I can still vote on the moves. Um. The map gets deleted. While of votes. That's it. Then it deletes one. Oh my god, how many people joins the pool? Okay, there. One gem. Sad. Okay, here I think I forgot. Both blind status. Oh, when the state is true, it's visible true. If here you can vote, value is true. And select map is nil. Right there. Also the main script after you voted. Breakable appears available. No, not available. Aim. Replicator storage. The map votes. If chosen, we destroy it. There we go. Oh yeah, I have to finish all my quests. Woohoo. Oh yeah, there's just a flying button. Button, just come over here. Button. Yes. Yes. Come over here. No. Yes. Finally. Yes. There we go. Well, we pretty much got this part's done. In fact, we actually did get add lots to the game, including other things. Lost page. Still there. Of course, you have to fly away. It's still flying. Page, 1 gem. Oh, we pretty much got it done. Well, I'll see you in the next stream. Goodbye.